I can travel at nearly 100 miles per hour, but never leave the room. You can cover me up, but that doesn't slow me down. I'm thinking of a word that is spelled F-U-N. What word am I thinking of? A sneeze? What word am I thinking of? Fun. That's right. You got it in one. Here's another one. This word has 3 consecutive double letters. What word am I thinking of? Bookkeeper. That's right. You got it? Let's play again. You'll not know if I come only once, or again, and again, and again. What has an outside and an inside, but is only one word? A sneeze. You got that right. Let's play again. This word has an outside and an inside, but is only one word.